Welcome back everybody. So I'm here in the OpenAI playground, and as you can see, I have GPT-4o selected. I can add my system instructions over here. I can add my user messages over here. And alongside, I can also link a particular image or upload a particular image. So that's kind of nice. So what I really want to see is that GPT-4o, is it that good? Is it that good with vision? And what I really want to do, I want to go and probably select some sort of a very confusing image with some sort of an optical illusion. So, and I just want to see that whether GPT-4o catches that, whether it detects that. So that's the plan. So let's go ahead and most confusing images. All right, let's go ahead and this looks good. Okay. All right, something like this probably. Yeah, this seems good. Or yeah, nice. All right, this will do. Let's go ahead, expand it, save. So seems like New York City. All right. Okay, and all right, I'm just gonna hit run now. Let's see. Okay, so the image presents an intriguing visual illusion. Perfect. At first glance, it appears that a man in a suit is standing on a small floating deck or platform in the middle of a large body of water with city skyline in the background. Nice. However, upon closer inspection, it becomes evident that this is an optical illusion created by rotating the image 90-degree clockwise. Awesome. Amazing, amazing. The man is actually leaning on the handrail besides a vertical wall, which is partly submerged in water. The photograph has been rotated to make it look as though he is standing vertically on a floating platform. Awesome. Awesome. All right. I didn't expect it at first. So the latency is like nice. I mean, this is a great number. 4,555. Perfect. Let's try some other confusing images. So I did go ahead and choose one. Yeah, this one. Let's go ahead and save this. All right, there we go. Run. And let's see. Okay, this image is another example of an intriguing optical illusion created by rotating a photograph. At first glance, it appears that the man in the suit is standing on the edge of a rocky cliff with vast expanse of water vertically besides him. However, upon closer inspection, it becomes clear that the image has been rotated. Perfect. I mean, and so this one has a bit of more latency, but even these numbers are great. I mean, this is impressive. I didn't expect it to catch the optical illusion at first, but this is pretty much nice. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. This seems pretty promising and probably the next most popular generative AI tool in our skill belt. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.